le wenulo no viche Gunuvile. Mikodo le wenulo. Hello, my name is Coach Amos Mauklo. I'm a very proud Ogu boy and I speak my language everywhere I go. However, I've come to discover over the years that quite a number of Ogu people, my tribal men, either cannot communicate in the language or are shy to communicate in their mother tongue, in their dialect, which is very displeasing. We need to understand that the popularity of one language doesn't make any other language inferior to it, and that's actually the truth. Majority of people are speaking this language. That doesn't mean that the one that you speak, that we have minority speaking, is inferior to that majority of people are speaking. No, that's not it. Because every language as you look is a tool that is used to preserve every culture, and then if you lose that tool, then the culture is as good as gone. So for you to preserve your culture, definitely you have to preserve your language, and we can see the impact of people not having interest in their mother tongue, which is really affecting the culture of Ogu people. And to help eradicate this, I have come together with a group of like-minded people to create a platform for those who cannot communicate in the language to learn how to speak the language, and for those that are shy to communicate in this language to help them appreciate what they have. Because if you don't appreciate what you have, another person will put something else to you, and to help eradicate that, that's why we have come together to give you this platform so you can either learn the language or probably you can speak the language. You can already speak the language, then it will help you to appreciate the value of this language, because we want to see a generation of Ogu people doing exploits in their various fields, even though they are doing it, but because they've lost their identity one way or the other, we cannot even identify them. Yeah, you know that Ogu language is interfacing with English language and Yoruba language in Nigeria, while in Benin Republic it is interfacing with French and Fon language, and because of that, there are some level of infiltrations that have happened over the years, loss of some words and cultures and things like that that have happened over the years. To help preserve our culture, we want to start by preserving our language and helping our people appreciate the language. That the problem is not from the language, the problem is from how we do things, how we look at ourselves, how we see ourselves. So that's just the truth. At the end of it, if you can be committed to the videos we'll be posting here from time to time and the posts we'll be making on our website from time to time, I can assure you that with your commitment and your openness to learning, we'll make it something remarkable. We'll make something remarkable out of this initiative. So stay tuned with us. Follow us on our YouTube channels. Follow us on our social media channel, and we can assure you that at the end of it, you would really appreciate these efforts. Ene tondom dum yuno vichele homeche don tinto fit azai betonji. Koko me hunko wen budoto hodona yumein no vichele. Me to hodo wen koja amos mauklo no oto awon itan to Nigeria sin ayi gbaji. Kakam na no pleto hode boni. Izun zande.